Even though my got no pay, but I got my money for my minerals. Every needs in the tongue around. Way back with my guys, no be today. And they know me God, oh. They know see put me down. They know see block my ways. Should be they don't they praise. Because I know they shout. Should be they don't they praise. Every day I dey pray. Everywhere I go. Every day when I dey sleep, oh, Papa they hear my voice. Every day I dey pray. Everywhere I go. Every day when I dey sleep, oh, Papa they hear my voice. Every day, me I wake up and me say a little prayer. Thanking the Lord for giving me another day just to be grateful. Me I sing the songs I sing and I do the things I do, but I see nobody trying to pull me down. Just me a greater and me shine like a star. My baby looking like a little baker, and I'm chilling with Benue swagger. They call me M to the A to the L to the V. I dey pray everywhere I go. Every day when I dey sleep, oh, Papa dey hear my voice. Every day I dey pray. Everywhere I go. Every day when I dey sleep, oh, Papa dey hear my voice. Oh, I done see me going, wow, wow, wow. They want to push me down. I done see me going, ah. They want to block my way. But I like it when God they don't do. I keep on flying till I meet my goal. I better hope me not ready till I die. Back my home, Holy Ghost fire, fire go burn them home. Papa God know me, can't just they waste their time. Oh no, yeah, yeah. Oh, anyway, fire, my beats on the beat.
Hey, every day I pray. Every day. Beautiful song, beautiful boy. Benue swagger. Benue swagger, B?
Yes.
And say you know Benue boy, B?
Yes.
Benue guy.
Yeah.
Which side for Benue?
From Oshongo local government.
Oshongo
Okay.
local government.
Yes.
Oshongo local government. So why you know wear your own blue, white and this is stripe?
Now,
Yeah.
it's because I don't have it now because it was just like an urgent.
Tonight just can't do it,
Yes.
any which way, but we feel the song. Easy, you feel am,
I tell
you
you,
understand?
man.
I like the whole feel for. It remind me of that time when whiskey they do things, you know. But we no say, oh yeah, yeah. But nice voice, nice song, and I believe say correct. People go they feel your whole jam. All right. So Benue Swagger, thank you very much. Just go sit down and we'll start the whole thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of now come the late night show. We love, you know, every day I pray.
Never worship Satan.
Every day, yeah, every day. You know, we like, you got to shake your head to make it more ministerial.
Making it vibrate, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, now today on top of the show, we say we don't pipe close more, do some kind of laugh things today on top of the show. You know, we want to do too many, say we go bring one fat name or one too many big name or two. Not every day if they carry all those kind of things, they happen on top of the show. But today, we get some kind of skit for you, some videos for you, and at the same time, since we don't put smile for your face before you sleep. And already on top of the show, we don't already carry Benue Swagger can't do it. Before the show finish, we still get another guy who can show himself too, on top show yourself. An opportunity for every young person outside there where they do things on top of entertainment to, you know, just to show himself. Because now we they try to give platform to those who don't see the platform to create a platform for the self. You understand me now? So on top of the show tonight, just sit back, relax. The late night show, yeah, I started like this because Ogbolo, your boy, and DJ Easy Beat is on the wheels of steel to make sure that he do everything doable. Okay? The late night show start now. No go anywhere. They come back. Doro is a money maker. Yeah. Anywhere Doro day, if you like me, you vex. So only waiting 90 your t-shirt. Own the game.
We on the game, man.
Own the game, man.
Don't say
Why you form? Own the game, man. You know we own the game.
we on the game.
You know what to do. We're just owning the game. You know. All right, now, easy beat. It's time for the cocoa.
Make a tell them the cocoa. Make
All right.
a tell them the cocoa. Make 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 a tell them the cocoa.
When you see one, just use the magic
I think I will do this.
You say, listen, I know you forget your plan. No, that you plan where you plan. No, you don't.
I just want to make you good. You can't come from the comeback.
No, but I've been knowing even though I slow motion today. I don't say I go for your hand. Okay. Now, scammers now don't they take don't they use APC things? They do some kinds scamming things. They say whether na Photoshop or be we get like the picture day and then from there we go fit talk more on the whole thing.
Okay.
Those people then what they call if that's get one number, the people they call and say like a scam onto the whole P. I don't to understand this whole gist, but I believe say our producer and everybody get the thing for there. They say get one number where they put for you know see say people that they call this number for some kind things. Say that they recruit one thing in order to fulfill our campaign promises about empowering people. The APC has started mass recruitment, both educated and non-educated. For more information, call this number. So this whole thing now they say
make this place now for Lagos. Now Lagos like all this kind of
last giddy, all thing now hustle now.
It go shock you.
You understand? So APC now come talk say, this is na scam o, no be us. So wetin we dey recruit? Na school.
Money war.
I tell you that man no war. So they say na scam be all the whole level like this. I beg go say, their hand no dey inside for this whole particular thing. So make people dey very very. But you know say people go still fall for this thing.
People go follow.
After all this talk we talk now, people go still go do am.
All those die-hard fans.
So no, some people just their hustle waka. You no get restriction, no get boundary. They go outside, they all see number. People they read poster like say they read encyclopedia.
It will shock you.
Plus church poster, plus campaign poster, any poster of anything. Once they see number for there, hello, please, okay, they come. If you like, tell them say that they kill mommy there.
They will still
they
call
will
you.
still go. They'll still call you. I can come and try. So people they hustle different. Also make everybody. People have to be very very careful. I bet campaign and everything don't finish. But that person, some people start getting mind.
I did tell you, man. They're not just saying.
Mind. They just get fear of God in the inside of their body.
In a small say them not they there. Now the poster not they there. So if you call them, they will give you the thing where they want to tell you. So if you turn up, you go collect.
So now. And once number don't they there.
Forget
Finish. All right, cocoa number 2.
With the cocoa.
Now, this one is interesting my heart.
Sure.
Because this particular one, even me as a man, I know say all the men wey dey outside there, many men no get control. Many men. See this thing they call control. Put yourself onto the level.
Okay.
Men no get control. Men, they use 2 brain, they think. One day for up, one day for down. And that one way day for down, they control the one way day for up, where. It dey make many men they do anyhow.
Onto that matter.
And when they reach that level, this one no dey work again. It become dense.
But some men they try.
Some men did now.
Some men they try. They rebuke the thing. They will say no.
Like me now, I did like to the rebuke camp. You understand?
You did like to the rebuke camp, but you know the feed.
Yeah. No, I did do it.
Okay.
I said, I rebuke you. Go anywhere. I rebuke you.
The guy goes say, "Let's see you worry. Come over here."
Now, wow. No, but this particular one, you say for Obodo you put there, they carry this out this experiment to see men and women them who they fall for this thing pass. Now they send this particular chick go outside. See the send man go outside. Then go ask like 100 women whether just meet they just looking like this so just say come. Hi, good afternoon. As it be like this now, say you go like make we go house, go flex. out of all the women when they ask, all of them say no.
Out of how many?
Out of about 100.
Wow.
Where they say, when they go ask, all of them say no.
Okay.
They can't turn out. They can't send woman go outside now. Oya, you go ask
men.
100 men. Can we go home now? Maybe we'll go touchlight ourselves. Out of 100 when they ask, 30 say how, where, when. Can we? Oh yeah, let's go. With woman where you don't know from Adam, he immediately say, man, let's go and die there. I don't know that I don't know you or anything. But you see, the experiment can't prove one thing. Say many have not get control. You have not get control. Put it from nowhere.
Yeah, but if you look at it all depends on the mood where the woman take track them. So, but you know, say me know some guys. So we say if you meet them for some kind of tight corner, let's say woman go track them like that. You go first ask some drama first, just hard time. At the end of it, tell her say, Alpha, who move. The 100 men go move.
So that means maybe the remaining 30, maybe she not to use her full mind. The remaining 70 rather.
Just ask them.
Just ask them anyhow. So maybe she just add more swag on top of it for cash more fish. Because man, say baby, more they go house now. You call licking ear. Yes. We let's go. But no, I beg, if be man with the outside there, easy bit for example now, you be man with the outside there now, woman just meet you from nowhere, say baby, let's go now. You go as man with the.
That not go work. For me, can I go anywhere?
What if now your spec come meet you?
Hey, you say I tell you one word one time. So it all depends.
If now your spec come meet you now.
Even if your spec come meet you, get the way go take come. Let's assume that like say you won't go raw person now. You go don't set your targets. You know if you don't go with person now, say man, how far?
Okay, more paint the picture like that.
Okay.
Say you be your spec. Now we don't even watch it now. Your spec just come block you. Man or woman, no, your spec just come meet you for road. You just see him. Now the kind of woman where you like. Everything head to toe. You get everything where you want physically. Even a smile say they kill you. Or you be woman, the kind man. 6 feet tall, dark and handsome, chest.
Calm down now. Wait till you be gone.
No, someday they physically approved. The man kind man we just want everything muscle there everywhere. Or maybe
just like big different people do.
Different girls. Some girls they would like power lane. They go see the ribs. Some girls they will like them honky. Any type. Say your type just come block you for road now. Pwah. Let's go now to go and do it now. You go, woman or man, just follow us just on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, just give us your own gist. Tell us what you feel. Yes or no. Then we shall know how.
If not you
no lie, you no.
Me want ask you now. If not you go great.
No, if not me, I rather run away like Joseph did.
For Delilah.
Yes.
No, see now. Let's assume that me know you. Say you just did one place. You also can make you go one of those your quiet time.
Yes.
Then you just see one fine person just show just turn up.
My speckle.
Or be how far.
My speckle.
And you just contract with me. What's up now? Just talk. They're gonna say ask me, can we leave this place?
No, I no fit. No, I fear my life past anything. No, I not fit. I not fit because you don't know where the person you are coming from. You don't know if it's a Delilah in a human form. Okay, so now that we go close mouth on top the cocoa. Any contributor get to contribute on top the whole level. Just jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us your own gist, and we are going to continue with the whole thing. They come back. We get one short clip from the laugh. We take that one to do some kind of laughing things right now. And then we'll continue the whole show. Nowhere go anywhere. They come back.
Ibi wọn rí o, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Ibi wọn bá ti mọ̀, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Ibi wọn rí o, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Orí kì í fáwọn, ẹ̀dọ̀ kì í rúgbìn. Òtútù kì í mẹ́ja lálẹ́ odò. Àìkódìdí mọ̀dẹ kó kú rọ́jú. Bígi bá rorò ó ní láti bá gbógbé. Èpo rógbó, òun ló ń bàṣírí orógbó. Wọ́n ránṣẹ́ padà ń ṣe. Ọbẹ̀ oníṣègùn lọ́wẹ́. Wọ́n yọkùmọ̀ kóńdó. Wọ́n fẹ́ wọlé ọlá. Wọ́n ní kàkà kékun má jèrè ká fi ṣàwádànù. Ọ̀run mi lábẹ́yàrí pátá ó ránṣẹ́ pọ̀ dúdú wa. Abẹ́rẹ́ kò gbúdọ̀ kọ́ òun aṣọ. Kọ̀ǹkọ̀kan kò gbúdọ̀ kọ́ òun odò. Ẹ̀yin aláyé ẹ má ṣe kọ́ òun wa wá. Ibi wọn rí o kọ́ kígbe àwa lọ. Torí gbogbo wọn ló kí. Ó máa ló lòdì kan o. àkúnlẹ̀yàn òun làdáyébá ó délé ayé ó já ìtànná owó òwú kì í la kínú obólóko mo já tìyá iṣẹ́ yá mi wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ mo já tọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ kó lè dẹ̀mí lọ́rùn mo já tìtànná ọ̀pẹ o ọ̀pẹ ní so èkùrọ́ orí àkó èkùrọ́ orí àkó amóhùnyè kóróró àkọ́kọ́ dáyé ni mo ti jáwé ọlá àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dáyé ni mo ti jáwé àtọ́ o kókókó là ń gbọ́ nílé àárọ̀.